Sugar syrup is often used in recipes, particularly dessert recipes, to stabilize eggs and usually separated. In this example we've got egg whites, we're adding sugar syrup and we're going to make it into Italian meringue. If we substituted the whites for the yolks, we'd have pâte à bombe. The process is exactly the same, and these are usually used for adding to iced desserts, parfaits, macaroons, things like that, where we need the mix to be a bit more stable than just beating air into it. Okay, so the important thing with sugar syrup is to bring it up to the temperature slowly. And when we made caramel, we put sugar in the pan without any water at all and gently melted it straight to a caramel stage, at a minimum around 130 degrees. For this syrup we need to take the syrup to 120 degrees, so we need to add some water. And then we're going to simmer the water out. Now, the more water you add to this sugar initially, the less chance there is of the sugar crystallizing, but the longer it takes to reduce the water back out again. I think in this example we've got about 75 mils of water, just enough to saturate the sugar. We put it onto a very, very low heat. I've got it on 400, which is the second lowest setting, and it's just ticking away until every grain of sugar is dissolved. And not until that point we turn the heat up. Okay, I've got my nice clear sugar solution. I've turned the heat up to just under half, and I'm gradually bringing it up to the boil. Once the sugar granules have disappeared and the liquid's boiling, it's alright to turn the heat up a bit and boil it rapidly. Now, usually we use a sugar thermometer, but you should be able to do it by eye as well. Looking for very, very thick, sticky bubbles. Okay, and here we see that the sugar is ready to go. It's ready to be whisked into the whites. The bubbles are nice and thick. There's not a sign of caramel anywhere near the outside rim. It's a lovely clear syrup and it's ready to go.